Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. They're going to give a quick unboxing of the Alba 10-inch tablet. We've been using a 7-inch tablet. It's lasted 2 years, which is quite good and unexpected. And of course, Alba is Argos' own brand. And this is their 10-inch tablet, which is probably best ideal for kids. And if it's to go by anything by the last tablets that we had, it will certainly serve you well and it's worth the money. So this has got Android 7.0, it's MTK quad core 1.3 gigahertz processor, 10-inch IPS HD screen, dual camera, 1 gig of RAM, 16 storage, expandable up to 32, and inside we get Parental App Control pre-installed, which is pretty good. And of course we have 2 protective silicone bumpers and a 2-year guarantee, and of course full access to the Play Store, so that's pretty cool. So let's check it out. And just peel off this plastic layer. And there's this cut and cut. So off the bat, there's the tablet straight away. And you can see the screen protector already on board, which is excellent. And of course we have a case here, which we'll just quickly remove and have a quick look around the tablet itself. So on the back here we can see we've got Alba here, HDMI, and we have a speaker down here with dual speakers, 1 and 1. And up on top there is nothing and nor on the bottom. And here is where all our IOs are here. So there's quite a bit going on. So we'll pop it this side. So we have our HDMI here. We have a reset button here. We have mic here. And we have our micro USB, power keys, plus and minus, our camera, our plus and minus for volume, and our headphone jack there, and SD tray. So there's a lot of stuff on the tablet there. For the price, I think they're going for 99 quid now, which is pretty good indeed. 1 gig of RAM, not the best, but keep in mind it's more or less for kids, so they're not going to be using that in heavy duty. But you could use it for social media and browsing and general stuff you do at home, so it'd be ideal for kind of anybody, but more directly aimed at kids with a bigger screen. So that's pretty much what it looks like there. So we'll just leave that alone. Of course, you can see our front camera there. And what else do we get? We get our micro USB cable here for charging. The other cover here, which is red, and again it's their own, has Alba in on it there, as the blue one does too. So that's nice to see. And we've got a free pre-installed app, which is excellent considering what's going on these days. And an instruction manual, and we get our plug here for charging, and that's really about it for now. So yeah, we're going to check it out, test it out, and see what happens and how it goes. As I said, the last one that we had was pretty good, and it's lasted quite a while. So just give you a quick look at the startup, like so. These do tend to be a bit on the slow side starting up, and Android is optimizing storage now. So let's see what happens. So we're back to our get started menu and sign in and all this kind of stuff, and we have vision settings here. So once we get all that done, we will get back to you with a review in a week or two. And as I said, any questions, techbuzzorn.com. Thanks for watching.